Hi, welcome to The Last Cask. It's David Mason and we're back with something quite different. Have you ever pondered about which whiskey to have or what brand I like? You know, you go to your favourites, your go-tos. Well, why not have something that gives you the best of everything? So today we're going to look at Douglas Laing, established 1948, a family-run business based in Glasgow. They're an independent bottler of Scotch whisky. And as you see, I've got a few in front of me today. They're an artisan, small batch, single cask, hand selected of the finest and some of the rarest stocks around Scotland. And what the guys at Douglas Laing do is put all these together and produce, as the distillery's intended, fine Scotch whiskies. Some blended, some single, some old peculiars you'll see in their brand. And talking of the brands, they have a really fun core range, and they want whiskey drinking to be fun. That's my take on the Douglas Laing brand. So they do a core range of 5 whiskies amongst their old peculiars, the XOPs. And if we look now, we've got the Epicurean, which is a lowland malt. So they go into all the different regions within Scotland. And then the Timorous Beastie, which is a Highland malt whisky. And then we've got the Scallywag, which is the Speyside. Then we have a Rock Oyster, which is Island malt. And then, of course, last but no means least, we've got Big Pete, which is the Islay malt. I think it's really cool, and as I mentioned before, I think it's really fun. But we're going to look today at not just Scallywag, but this is the Scallywag 10-year-old. It's a blend of Speyside malts, like your Glenallachys, your Glenglassaugh, your Mortlach, Glenfarclas, one of my favourites, just to name a few. So as you can see, it's got a picture of a fox terrier, and if you have a look at the Douglas Laing website, it'll tell you a bit more about it. But this little terrier's got one tooth missing. He was the original fox terrier dog way back in the day of Fred Douglas Laing. Now, this particular Speyside blended malt whisky is something I believe you can just pick up and you can drink any time. It's so well balanced. It's matured exclusively in Pedro Jimenez and Oloroso cask at 46% ABV, non-chill filtered, non-coloured, and that's across all their whiskies. So they hold true to that. Now, let's have a look at this dram here, which I've poured and let aerate in this glass. Give it a swirl first. You can have a look at that colour. So it's a nice copper, sort of, I would say, airing towards an amber colour. And the viscosity is quite nice, running down the glass gently, slowly, on the nose. Yeah, immediately you've got those lovely sherry fruit notes. Quite buttery, light toffee. Absolutely delightful. Really, really clean. There's no prickliness there either on the palate. Oh, that's very nice. It's not overly sweet, but you've got that nice, gentle, soft oak sweetness with some syrupy texture there, and then getting, it's like blackberries. It's quite chocolatey, not dark chocolate, I'd say almost milk chocolatey. Another one. Yeah, that's a real go-to. If you're not sure what to have when you sit down overnight, Scallywag 10 will do it. The finish I'm getting some more sort of darker fruits, prunes, slight nuttiness, but still creamy in the background, with a very light cinnamon, cloves, not peppery, no, and it's got a medium finish. I won't say long, it's slowly dissipating. I think you'll enjoy this, so why not go and give it a go? Woof woof. Anyway, raise a glass to you. Slàinte mhath.